Bottas is here. Let's have a look at all the action that happened with him off and on track. The crowds would not stop following him. I mean, it was like Harry Styles came to Adelaide.
Chops and changes. And I'm just waiting for Bottas to come through. He's still got Ian Ross in front of him.
Now you can just it's not exactly it's close to it's pretty big buttons unless we have any other ones someone stay. Well, I'll stay.
Paul Morris, SUPERCAR, can't possibly do that here.
And I think he's making a move on Lowndes. He has.
Backed off quite considerably there. Bottas tail out again. Oh, is he held on? He's gone around. And he's going to light him up. He's going to light one up here. So smoke him if you got him. And let her away here. Out there from our left front. On the fence, they're all up against it. As you go really wide at turn one, opposite lock. Nancy Now's taking and Craig Lowndes chasing him around. How about it, folks? That's a great session. I hope you enjoyed it. No doubt a few people will be heading straight down.